Hi triple coders, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can automate Python script using Windows task schedule to run it every hour, every day. It depends how often you wanna, it doesn't matter, yeah? It's entirely up to you. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is I already got a script that I want to execute. Yeah, in this case, as you know from my previous video, this will move the mouse 10 times, yeah, for this for. But then also we got this while c is less than 2, so then basically we'll run it twice, yeah, so 20 times. The modification I did just to show you as well that it will work, showing you the terminal, is that we will shape the position of the mouse, and then we will print it through the terminal. Okay, so let me prove you it will work. So let's gonna run it, right click and run Python scripts. As you can see, the mouse is moving everywhere, and we got the points that where it was. Okay, so we're gonna clear that, and then once we got the program that we want to execute every day or every hour, so all we have to use, or one of the options we can use, is the task schedule from Windows. Okay, very simple. So window you can see here, obviously on your PC you might be able to see more tasks which they're running, either the startup or when every so often your antivirus updated, yeah. But in my case, it's a Windows sandbox. This is a fresh copy of Windows, so that's why I don't have any tasking. Yeah. Okay. On my right hand side, very important, we got create basic task or create task. In this case, we're gonna use create task, but it doesn't matter. You can choose either way. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing you can see here is we got general, triggers, actions, conditions, and settings, navigation, so tabs, yeah, where you want to call it. And the first thing obviously we need to do is we're gonna assign a name. In this case, it's gonna be test. I'm just gonna put description, first automation Python, great, okay. Now, next thing to do is to check the conditions, and then very important where it says power, because if we read it, it will say start the task only if the computer is on AC power. Very important to check that, because if you're running on your battery, yeah, imagine, I don't know, it depends, you're moving house or you're moving to the office, and then you're not plugged into the socket, it won't run. Yeah, so very carefully just check this option. So once we know it will run, because obviously either we connect it to the socket or we untick that option, we go back into actions tab. In here we're gonna press new. In here we got 3 options: start a program, send an email, or display a message. Yeah, in our case we want to use start a program. Where it says program and script, we need to search, or we need to browse for the python.exe folder. Yeah, and obviously we need to select it through where it depends where you have to install it. In my case is C and then Python and then python.exe. That's the application. Okay, so we click open, and then we go C, Python, python.exe. Fine. So now we got the interpreter. Now we need to add the arguments. The arguments is the name, exactly the same name of my script. In my case, I go capital and then low capital. So you better watch for that. Okay. If you miss something on this name, it won't run, because it will go into that folder and it will try to find it. Okay. And obviously there's nothing much with that name, it won't run it. And now on the start in, which it says optional, we need to just put the folder where our script is. In this case is this, so we come here and we paste it here. Okay, so we got the program, we got the script, and we got the folder. So we press OK. So now that we got the actions, we go into triggers. That's where we're gonna select how often we want to run it. As you can see, we go so many options again, startup or schedule, it depends where you want to do it. In my case, I'm gonna just run it one time. Then I go daily, you got weekly, monthly, so many options, okay? So now we're going to run it today, which is 28th of June of 2020. And then obviously it's 55 already. So let's gonna put 57, okay? To allow us some time. So we're gonna press OK. And we're gonna press OK in here, okay? So one of the things it might happen, it won't come up in there. So you just right click on the task schedule and you press refresh, and then automatically will refresh how many tasks you got active. Yeah, so what you can see in here, we got the name we have given, we got the status which is says ready, we got the triggers 4:57, then we got the next run time, and then the last run time, which is never been run at the moment. Okay, so we're gonna wait for 4:57, which is very soon, and then you will see how it will move the execute our program, which in this case is moving the mouse around the screen and printing it through the terminal. So this is very important to know, because you can run wherever you want, either Python scripts or any other languages programs that you can practice as much as you want. Okay, so this is 4:57 already. So now we're gonna see in a matter of seconds. 4:57, it depends where it was, you see. So that's moving it across and we're printing through the terminal. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye.